Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I want to show you all my doogie, Jackapoo. Well, her actual name's Jackie, I just like to call her Jackapoo. Jackie. So, Jackie, you say hi to the camera, don't slick it please. So, I'm having to wrestle a bull. So, this is Jackie. As you can tell, she is a crazy doogie. Jackie! Hang on guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just had some technical difficulties. Well, not technical, just she ran away. Look at the camera to tell the viewers you love them. No, don't lick.
I don't want to lick the camera.
Are you kidding? Jackie, you want the treat? Reach for the sky. Treat.
Hold it up too high. Yeah, but don't tease her with that.
I'll just have to cut this part out of the video. So, ooh, Jackie. Whee! Jackie. So, calm down! Jackie. Well, anyways. There you go. There you go. Now you can see her better. Are you kidding me? So that's the end of the video. Bye!